Hello everyone, and today I'm showing you my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm starting out with the eye makeup remover, and I'm just using my cotton pad to remove any leftover mascara, also my eyebrow pencil, and we're going to get things cleaned up and ready to go. Alright, so next, I'm using my Skinvigorate brush with my Time-Wise Repair Foaming Cleanser. So I'm just putting a little bit of the cleanser on my brush, wetting my brush, and we're going to get things going. So if you're not already using a skin brush for your skincare routine, what are you waiting for? Like this definitely helps to get things more clean and just really exfoliate your skin and so much more. So I'm just going to work that in, get out those nooks and crannies, my jawline, underneath my chin, some of my neck. Okay, we're going to get this thing cleaned up thoroughly. Alright, so after I do that, next we're going to rinse. Just rinse. I usually use like lukewarm, cool water and pat dry. So get everything dried up. And next we have the fun part, our charcoal mask. And this time I'm using the mask brush. So it has a silicone tip for easy application. It feels so amazing. Ooh, it's cooling. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face and get things ready to relax. After that, I am applying my Hydrogel Eye Patches. And again, these are going to sit right underneath the eyes. And while I mask, I'm going to relax. Alright, so I'm back. I was able to listen to about a 15-20 minute saving money podcast that was very interesting. So I'm just going to remove those eye patches. Now I'm taking my cloth to remove the mask. So I'm just going to get that wiped off and ready to go for the rest of my skincare routine. Takes a little bit, so using lukewarm water is ideal. You just want to make sure you get the entire mask off so you can have a nice smooth surface for the rest of your skincare products. Alright, so next up, after the mask, I use the Replenishing C+E Serum. So this serum is great because it helps to brighten your skin, even out your skin tone, and it definitely helps to brighten your skin as well. So I love using this product. I actually use it day and night, so in the morning and in the evening to see the best results, honestly. And this has been the absolute game changer in my skincare routine, adding in that vitamin C, but having that vitamin E in it as well, really helps. Alright, so after that, I'm going in with my nighttime moisturizer, which also has the Volu-Firm just goodies in it, and it also has different things in it as well to help moisturize your skin, remove any toxins and impurities, but most importantly, help even out that skin tone as well. So I'm just going to work that in upward motions all over my face and my jawline and my neck as well. So after I work that in, I'm using the eye cream, which needs to be replaced. But the great thing about this, it has a metal applicator tip. It helps to just promote relaxation and also reduce any swelling or puffiness. A little goes a long way. I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to the eye cream, but I'm just going to tap that in. And right under my eye, I also bring it up to the corners and right under my brow. So it just helps to moisturize that area. And I also put this on day and night. So it's supposed to provide 12 hours of moisturization. So, and then this is the best part, using that metal applicator tip to get more of that relaxation and soothing feeling under your eyes. Alright, so we're going to address the lips. So this is the Satin Shea Sugar Scrub that smells and tastes amazing. Don't eat too much. A little goes a long way. I actually use too much, but it's all good. So you just want to rub that in. Work it in for about a minute or longer if you need to. Just getting in those excuse me, getting in those rough areas. So I like to just reinforce the scrub in and just really take my time, because honestly this is something that I don't do often, but I really like to use this in the colder months. So the winter is basically here. So I like to really keep my lips nice and moisturized and soft. Alright, so once you work that in, you definitely want to rinse it off with your fingers, or I'm using the other side of my cloth just to wipe it away. So once you just clean all of the scrub away, and you need to, or you're going to finish it up with the Shea lip balm. So the Satin Lips. The formula is so smooth. It's really great. I love it. It keeps your lips feeling smooth and soft. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this nighttime skincare routine. Let me know what you think, what you're loving, and I will see you soon. Bye.